Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar Canadian, overall, I am definitely very bearish on the higher time frames, but I'm thinking that this is an A, and I'm thinking this is possibly like a running wave A, B, C, or B. If that's true, then today's non farm payroll actually may cause this to start an uptrend for a C, and then perhaps sometime next week, midweek or something, we'll get the continuation of the downtrend. Now, definitely be careful with the news. This is a big news event. And as always, the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely down based on structure, which means, there's always a chance that it just keeps on going down. I just think that perhaps it needs to make a more proper ABC correction like this, maybe setting itself up for a nice shorting opportunity midweek next week. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.